Firstly, we have to describe what is system. So what is system? System is a meaningful interconnection of physical devices and components. Okay? That is system. And system is a combination of subsystems. Is it clear? Now we have to start. The system are classified into their characteristics. Okay? The system are classified according to their characteristics. Okay? So first one is what? First is continuous time and discrete time systems. Second one is lambda parameter and distributed parameter. Third one is static and dynamic systems. Fourth one is causal and non-causal systems. Fifth one is linear and non-linear systems. Sixth one is time invariant and time variant systems. And last one is stable and unstable. Now another one is causal and non-causal system. So a causal system is one for which the output at any time t depends on the present and past input, but not for future inputs. Okay, and this system is called as non-anticipative systems. This systems is known as non-anticipative system. Okay, uh, those systems which are depends on present and past inputs, that is present and past input, that is called non-anticipative system or causal system. Okay, and non-causal system is what? Non-causal systems is one whose output depends on future values. Okay, and that is a anticipative system. That is known as anticipative system. For example, causal systems are yt equal to xt plus xt minus 1. ठीक है, क्या बोला? Causal system is one for which the output at any time t depends on the past inputs, present and past inputs. ठीक है, so if we have to put t equal to 1, so in that particular we have to put 1 in equation in equation 1. So in that case, y1 equal to x1 plus x1 minus 1 means x0. So in that case, x0 is a past input and x1 is a present input. That's why it is called causal system. Okay? And non-causal system is what? Y equal to xt plus 1 plus x2t. So in that particular time, we have to put y equal to 1. So in that case, x1 plus 3 is x4 and x square t is x square 1. Means it depends on future values. That's why it is called non-causal systems. ठीक है ना? ऐसा सिस्टम जो जिसका आउटपुट किसी भी इंस्टेंट ऑफ टाइम पे किस पे डिपेंड करे? हेलो हेलो, किस पे डिपेंड करे? पास्ट और प्रेजेंट वैल्यू पे, है ना? ऐसे जो सिस्टम होते हैं दैट इज नोन एज कॉजल सिस्टम. और जो कॉजल सिस्टम इन वन हुज आउटपुट डिपेंड्स ऑन किस पे, आउटपुट किस पे डिपेंड करे? फ्यूचर वैल्यूज ऑफ इनपुट पे डिपेंड करे, दैट इज नोन एज नॉन कॉजल सिस्टम. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? Next one is linear and non-linear systems. So in linear system and non-linear system, we have to remember only one thing. That is, a system that obeys the superposition principle is said to be an arbitrary input x1t and produces said to be a linear system, है ना? Said to be a linear system if an arbitrary input x1t produces an output y1t and an arbitrary input x2t produces an output y2t, then the system is linear. So for a continuous time system, transform of a x1t plus b x2t equal to a t x1t plus bt x2t. Similarly, for a discrete time linear system, T A x1t plus B x2t x2n x2n, because we have to use discrete. Sorry, I will correct that. T A x1n plus B x2n is equals to A T x1n plus B T x2n. So that is the principle of superposition theorem. In linear system is always obeys the superposition principle. That's why it is called linear. Otherwise, it's non-linear systems. Okay. Otherwise, it's non-linear systems. Another one is time invariant and time variant system. So, a system is said to be time invariant if its input-output characteristics do not change with time. Do not change with time. Okay? Do not change with time. So that is called time invariant system. Otherwise, the system is time variant. Those systems which are vary with time, that is time variant, or those which are not vary with time, that is called the time invariant system. And the last one is a stable and unstable system. So our system is said to be bounded if and sorry, a system is said to be bounded input and bounded output, and stable if and only if every bounded input produces a bounded output. Okay, so system this condition stable this condition पे होगा system if bounded input produces a bounded output. So what is a bounded? Bounded means if we have or if we give the finite input in the system and it produces the output, or we collect the output that is also finite, means a system is stable, because in that system we have to produce we have to put we have to put finite value, and we get the finite value. So that is called bounded input and bounded output. इज इट क्लियर? बाउंडेड का मतलब ये होता है कि अगर बाउंडेड का मतलब ये होता है कि अगर हम कोई फाइनाइट वैल्यू प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं तो उसके रिस्पेक्ट में हमें आउटपुट पे क्या मिले? बाउंडेड मतलब फाइनाइट वैल्यू मिले. अगर हमें फाइनाइट वैल्यू ही मिलती है इसका मतलब क्या होता है? हमारा सिस्टम क्या है? स्टेबल है. अदरवाइज सिस्टम क्या है? अनस्टेबल. ठीक है, अदरवाइज द सिस्टम इज अनस्टेबल. ओके, so that thing is clear to all.